wonderful day here at La Joya ISD. We are hosting our 4th annual Texas Girls in STEM Day. The purpose of this event is to provide students with meaningful, hands-on STEM experiences that spark curiosity, strengthen critical thinking, and build confidence. Events like this are a perfect opportunity to show how we are in line with our strategic plan, specifically priority number 3, which is thriving students.
Today we have over 20 booths, each with a different STEM activity, such as our LED circuit headbands and our paddle boats. This gives our students the opportunity to do hands-on learning, such with our paddle boats, and to learn about circuits with our headbands in the technology field. So they're able to learn about different fields such as technology, engineering, science with magnets, and math as well. All of these hands-on activities are real-world application skills about standards that they're currently learning in the 5th grade classrooms. This is a great opportunity to promote STEM careers for our next generation of women in STEM fields.
What we're doing here today is we're doing different stations where we can learn how to be something when we're growing up for a career. Before this, I didn't know what I wanted to be, and now I know what I want to be because I could totally do like one of the teachers or do science experiments on mathematics.
We just want to thank everybody who helped put this event together. It was a great success here in our Girls in STEM Day.